Here we go. So I have y is equal to negative 2x plus 5. I have x plus 2y equals 1. Now, again, I'm telling you, if I look at this equation, see how it already says y equals? Why wouldn't you pick that one? That one already says y equals this. It requires 0 work. So let's go with that one, okay? Let's do that one. And let's substitute that in place of this little y right there, all right? I've already got the equation alone. Everything I need is ready. All I have to do is substitute it in so I can find my ordered pair. So let's do that. So I have x plus 2 times y. This time I'm going to substitute in blue just to change it up a little bit. Equals 1. So here's my equation. The substitution's in blue this time. Now I want you to notice, ooh, what is that step that we have to do? I see distributive property. You're going to see distributive property a lot when you do substitution, but that's okay. You already know how to do distributive property. So that means 2 on the outside gets multiplied by the negative 2x and the 5. So let's write that down. We have x. 2 times negative 2x gives you negative 4x. 2 times 5 gives you 10 equals 1. Okay? Once you get rid of your parentheses, what's the next thing that you do? Combine like terms. So let's do that. I have like terms right here. I have my understood 1, 1x, and a negative 4x makes negative 3x plus 10 equals 1. Okay? Now I have to get my x by itself. So I'm going to move that 10 over by doing the opposite, which is subtraction. And I get negative 3x is equal to negative 9, right? Then I have one more step to isolate x, and that is divide by negative 3. And when I do that, that divides out, and I'm left with x is equal to a negative divided by a negative is a positive. X is 3. So now I have found 50% of my solution, right? So once you find 50%, let's come over here and let's write that ordered pair. 3. There's my x value. All I'm missing now is my y value. So how do I find the y value? Well, I got x. Once you have x, all you got to do is go plug it in and get your y value now. So let's do that. I'm going to take my value for x, and I'm going to substitute it right here and find it. Find that y. So I've got y is equal to negative 2 times x. X is 3 plus 5. I'm doing my substitution in orange for this one, just to kind of vary it up. So now I get y is equal to, do your order of operations, that's multiplication, that gives you negative 6 plus 5. Then y is equal to order of operations, do addition, positive and negative, what do? Subtract and take the sign of the bigger number, gives you negative 1. There's your solution. So y value is negative 1. There's your ordered pair. Now this one wasn't too bad because it already had the y by itself. Are they always going to be like this? No, because the first one that we did already had a value for x. This one already had y by itself. Each individual problem is going to be different in some little way, shape, or form. So what I'm doing in this whole entire module is showing you several different examples of what you could possibly see and how you can possibly get your answer, okay? So come back so I can do another kind of problem with you. See you then.